So we're going to make mac and cheese. This pasta, rotini, is actually Banza pasta. The box it comes from, this is Banza. It's actually made from chickpeas, right? I don't know if you can see that, chickpeas. And it's 25 grams of whole protein, 13 grams of fiber, and it has less carbohydrates than regular pasta, and so that's why we're using it. Plus it's more nutritious. It's only from chickpeas, tapioca, and xanthan pea protein, so it's pretty okay for you to eat. We're trying to make it as milk free as possible, so we're using eggs, which is some dairy, but it's only 2 eggs, and this is melted butter. We're using 3 tablespoons. This is actually almond cheese, which is both cheddar and provolone. And then we are using evaporated coconut milk, and it's dairy free and soy free, so it has a rich taste. Some salt and some black pepper. This is actually sea salt, Himalayan sea salt, and so that's it. So now we're gonna mix it. So now we've greased the pan. We're gonna do the mixture. So first we're gonna add the pasta. Then we're gonna add the cheese. And then here goes the butter. And this is the eggs. We're beating the eggs. We've done 1 egg because our pasta is just 1 box. We could have used 2 if you have more. And now we are going to add the evaporated coconut milk. So that's the milk. We didn't use all of it, we just used some. You can choose what you want to use. And now some black pepper. So this is our own black pepper. It's actually black seed oil, black seed pepper, but you can use what you want to do. And then of course the salt to taste. However you want to salt it, you can go ahead and salt it. If you like lots of salt, that's fine. If you don't like lots of salt, you can also use other things to season it, because if you have health problems that have salt issues. Now we're gonna mix it. Alright, gonna make sure you mix from the bottom, mix everything in, because you want all the cheese to be all through it. Alright, we have done this before where we have add tuna fish or meat or whatever, so you can do that as well, but today we're just gonna do mac and cheese. So now we're gonna put it in the oven to 350 degrees for maybe about 30 minutes, and then we'll see what happens. So of course you want to use a small toaster oven. You don't want to do a huge oven for just a little bit of mac and cheese. So we have a toaster oven, very useful, very good for small meals, very economically good.